Hey everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to create our grab and go craft for September for kids. You want to come down to the library and pick up one of our little bags. And in each of the bag is all the supplies you need for the craft except for a paintbrush and some glue at home. White glue would work, or if you have a glue gun, if your mom and dad want to help you, you can use that too. So in each of the bags, you are going to have a base. You're gonna have some of this little yellow papers, a little orange piece with white on the back, and a flower. And what we're gonna be creating is this, so a scarecrow magnet. So if you wanted to make more of these at home, to do this you need five bigger popsicle sticks. I created these using hot glue. That's why I've made them all ahead for you. You could do this with white glue. So what I did is I put the 4 of them in a row, and then I put one on top and glued it. And then on the back side, as you can see on this one, I glued 2 more popsicle sticks for stability, just to give it some little, so it wouldn't move too much, right? Some stability. So to make this craft, it's really, really easy. When you pick up your bag, you're also going to pick up paint. I have 2 colors. There's brown and there's white. So you're going to need one of each of these containers when you come. I haven't put them in the bags because I don't want you to tip them very much, because they just have enough paint to paint your scarecrow with. So we don't want to get it all up on the sides and have it dry out on us, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to paint everything from the angle down. So from this one, so from here down white, and from the band across and up brown. So that's our hat, and this is our scarecrow's face. You can do this once, twice, put as many coats as you want on. I only put 1 so you can kind of see the grain of my popsicle sticks through, so it kind of looks like wood still. I thought that was kind of cool. So you're going to paint all of this white, this brown, and then when it's dried, you're going to draw on a face. So eyes, a mouth, but you don't have to draw on a nose because that is what the little orange piece is for. You'll see on the back it's got white. That's because this is a sticker. So you can actually peel off that white thing and it's going to stick to your scarecrow. So once you have your face drawn and your nose stuck on, you're going to take the little brown pieces that are supposed to be scarecrow hair, and you're going to glue them on the back side, however many you want on each side, so it looks like he has hair coming out of his hat. And then you're going to take your flower and you're going to glue it onto your hat band. So wherever you want, you can put it here, you can put it here, maybe it's on the top of your scarecrow's hat. It's totally up to you. But this is it. It's pretty easy. It's only going to take you a little while to do, and then you'll be able to give it to somebody for fall, maybe your grandparents or your parents, and stick it on your fridge. We hope you enjoyed this craft, and we will see you in October for some more crafts.